Turn when I tell you. Look at, turn over here, green light over here. Now over there. Other way. Now the other way. Go this way, buddy. Can you go straight to me? But don't hit me. Don't go too fast. Show me how you slow down. Wow, look at you. You stopped. Now go. Wow, Sam, I'm so proud of you. Over here. Now go over there. What do you say, Sam? Wait. Yay, Sam! Say it again.
Yay, Mommy!
Yay, Sam! Over here, Noodle. Over here. Look at me.